Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a blog or website on Google Search Console so that you can track your website performance, number of clicks, impressions. You can see how many pages are being indexed, which pages are not indexed. You can add your sitemap, you can remove content depending on your need, and there are plenty more options to take care of regarding search engine optimization. So without further ado, let me show you the process of adding your blog or website with Google Search Console. So here is the demo blog that I have got here. So to start the process, I'm gonna make a search on Google with Search Console keyword, and after that, here is the website that you have to visit. So I'm gonna click on Google Search Console right here. It's going to take you to Google Search Console homepage. Click on Start Now. So since I have already added one or a couple of websites here, so I'm seeing the starts of these websites. So now to add a new website, simply I have to click here on Add Property. So I'm going to click on Add Property, but by default, if you are new on Google Search Console, you should be landed directly here on this interface, right? So no worries at all. So let's proceed. So what I need now to select the property, so I'm going to simply copy the domain name from here and go back here. And after that, I'm going to use this URL-prefix to start the domain verification. So I'm going to click here on paste, and then let's click on continue. After that, it is going to show us verify property and then our website URL, obviously. And after that, it is going to suggest us or provide us some options to verify our website ownership. So the first one is HTML file. If you want, you can download this HTML file and then upload it to your website's files folder so that it will be verified after clicking here. So for this tutorial, what we're going to do, the easiest option you're going to use is HTML tag. So I'm going to click here on add meta tag to your site homepage. And after that, you can say copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's homepage. It should go in the head section. So we have to provide this code or place this code into the head section before the first body section. So let's do this. I'm going to copy this code from here. And after that, we have to go back to our website control panel. So mine is hosted with WordPress. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a plugin. So I'm going to click on plugins from here. And after that, I'm gonna click on add plugin. After that, I'm gonna make a search for, let's say, header and footer code and make a search. After that, there will be plenty of options, so we can use any one of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply take this one, insert headers and footers. So I'm gonna click on install now. And then let's click on activate. And obviously you can go with any other options from here. And after coming up in this page, we have to find out the header and footer. Here we go, WP headers and footers. This is the extension that we have just installed and activated. Now we're going to click on settings. After that, we're going to click on skip this step. And here we go. We have got scripts in header, scripts in body, so scripts in footer as well. These are the options. So since this page is suggesting us to put our code into the head section, so I'm going to copy this code. Let's go back here, and then we're going to place this, use this field, scripts in header. So I'm going to paste the code that I have just copied. And then we're going to scroll a bit down, and then I'm going to click on save changes. This is it. We have to go back here on our Google Search Console page, and after that we have to click on verify. Now it might going to take a minute or so to verify the data, and here we go. Since we have added our HTML tag right here, the website ownership has been verified. Now we can simply click on done and go here, or we can simply click here on go to property. So I'm going to click on go to property to take you to the new dashboard for that specific website that we have just added. Just take a look. The website has been changed, rafy.co.uk, which is this one. And as you can see here, the performance, indexing and rest of the data are processing now. And they're suggesting us to come back within a day or so that we'll see all the details here. Now, from the left side, so we can see the insights, performance. We can inspect the URL if it is indexed or not, and we can see the pages. We can add our sitemaps from here, and we have got many other options, like we can check our backlinks and stuff from this page. So I'm gonna upload more videos about some of the topics soon. So I believe you have found this video helpful and you were able to verify your website ownership and add your website with Google Search Console for the SEO optimization and stuff. And I'd be happy to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.